Hello and welcome to Working with Fractions. Today, our topic is Operation Overview, different operations and what you can and cannot do with fractions. Fractions are all around us, like if you only want to eat 1/5 of a pizza, or if you need to use 3/4 a cup of water when you cook. But what happens if your friend says that you can also have their 2/5 of a pizza? Or if the recipe that you're making is suddenly for 3 people instead of 1? Well, that's where addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division come in handy. Remember, fractions are made up of their numerator, the top number, and their denominator, the bottom number. If the denominators of 2 fractions are the same, say 1/4 and 3/4, then they can be added or subtracted. But if they're different, say 1/4 and 1/3, then they can't be. In this case, think of the addition sign like a kind of spike. Fractions can't jump over it to add with other fractions. Subtraction signs are like a sort of fence. Those fractions can't subtract or else they'll run into it. However, even if denominators or numerators are completely different, fractions can always be multiplied and divided. Multiplying or divided 1/4 by 3/4, for instance, is fine. So is multiplying 1/4 and 1/3. Think of the multiplication sign as a kind of slide. Fractions run into it and slide right into the other one. Division signs look kind of like a seesaw. If fractions run into it, they'll get flipped around and then multiplied as well. We'll go into more details about these different operations in the next part of this video. But for now, check out the quizzes and tests on Always Ice Cream and Clever Dragons and have fun. See you next time.